This is version 1 for Elsa by Dittmann, and we have the snowflake towards her forehead in electric diamonds. So simply follow the shape, which you can sort of see on the canvas, and just place the electric diamonds along that snowflake. And for version 2, we have the electric diamonds on the snowflake, but now we add more electric diamonds to the snowflake to the bottom of her chin, right over there that we see sparkling. So that is all in electric diamonds. So just kindly follow this shape. In case you don't see it clearly on the canvas, you can refer to this video. And finally, for version 3, we've got the electric diamonds on the snowflake as well as the other snowflake on the bottom of the canvas. But now we add a third snowflake to the right side of Elsa's face. And that's what we see right there, like a giant star glistening. So these are all in electric diamonds, but with varying amounts. And also version 3 has got some sprinkles of electric diamonds in the background that you can do this randomly on the canvas.